23rd one, write a Python program to find the index position and value of the maximum and minimum values in a given list of numbers using lambda. Okay, so if you take this input from the given list, we have to find the maximum number and minimum number using lambda, and also index position. Okay, for that we have to use the enumerate function, max function, and also lambda function. Okay, so enumerate function, we will see with an example what is enumerate function. If you take this one, a list here, input as an input, enumerate function takes a collection. Okay, collection nothing but any list or tuple or set or whatever, and returns an enumerate object. Okay, just if you use this enumerate function, enumerate, pass the collection parameter here. Okay, so print it now. Just check the output. Okay, it returns an enumerate object, enumerate function. If you want to convert into list here, if you convert to list here, it enumerate object. Just now check the output now. See, look at here, this enumerate function also adds a counter as a key of the enumerate object. You can convert that object as list or any other collection, so it adds a counter as a key to every enumerate object, because see here, take the individual elements, each element it acts a counter, means that acts as an index here. Okay, each 0, 12, 1, 33. Okay, returns list of tuples here. Okay, so list of tuples here. In list of tuples, each first element is the index and second element is the list element here. 1, 2, 3, it increments like list of the elements. Okay, it acts like an index here. Okay, so enumerate function takes a collection and returns an enumerate object. It also adds a counter as a key to the enumerate object. Okay, adds a enumerate object, adds a counter to the enumerate object. And also for this, if we want output like this one, okay, we want the output like the index and max is 5, 89, because maximum input here is 89 here, so we have to find the index of the 89 and also find the minimum index here. Okay, for that we have to use max function and lambda. So take out this one, simple, use max function, y is equal to max function. First parameter, take the enumerate object, enumerate function, enumerate x, pass the enumerate x, and second parameter is the lambda one, lambda. Okay, lambda is equal to x or z1, z colon argument colon expression, simple, or key is equal, right? Key is equal to lambda okay, z colon z expression here. Okay, second parameter is so here z colon z of 1 means argument colon expression, argument takes z here, that means it checks the each second element of the tuple here. Okay, so 12, 13, 73, 20.11, 6.7, it checks the max function checks what's the maximum value and checks each second value of the tuple here and returns that one. So just output here, so print index y easy, print y or index and max value, index and max value, y, just execute now. See, 5, 89. Same thing, if you want the minimum value, same one, z is equal to same instead of max function, write minimum function here. Okay, instead of max function, write minimum function, maximum of enumerate, minimum of enumerate function, key is equal lambda, instead of z you can write y here, no problem, y colon 1, and print index and minimum value is minimum value z here. Okay, it's execute now. See, index and maximum 5, 8, minimum is 10.11. Minimum of this list element is 10.11. The index is 3 here. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, suppose if you want to start index not from the 0, from third index onwards, just use another parameter from the enumerate function, x comma 3. Just check the output now. It will be incremented by 3 here. Okay, 8 comma 3, like that one, 8 comma 3. Okay, so like this you can if you you can do it. Suppose if you want an index for a particular list element, use enumerate function. Okay, that's simple. Use enumerate function. Enumerate function returns, means enumerate function takes a collection and returns an enumerate object. It adds a counter as a key to the each enumerate object. Okay, so you have to remember that one.